In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete uploaded images in Leonardo AI quickly and easily. If you've uploaded the wrong file, want to clean up your library, or just remove images you no longer need, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Leonardo AI account and head over to the library section. This is where Leonardo keeps your saved content and uploaded files, so it's the main place you'll want to check when you're looking to manage your images. Once you're inside the library, look for the Uploads tab. Click on Uploads to see all of the images you've added to Leonardo AI. This tab is especially useful because it separates your uploads from other generated assets, making it much easier to find the exact image you want to remove. Now take a moment to scan through your uploaded images and locate the one you want to delete. When you find it, look for the delete icon on that image. It's usually shown as a trash can or delete button, depending on the layout you're using. Click that delete icon on the image you want to remove. Leonardo AI may ask you to confirm the action before it permanently deletes the file, so if a confirmation box appears, go ahead and approve it. And that's it. The uploaded image should now be removed from your Leonardo AI library. If you need to delete more images, just repeat the same process in the Uploads tab. Go back to the library, open Uploads, find the image, and hit delete again. It's a fast way to keep your workspace organized and make sure your library only contains the files you actually need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Leonardo AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.